not hot, all these lies need to stop. Icy, cause I'm icy. When they say I'm not hot, cause I'm icy. Icy, cause I'm icy. All these lies need to stop, cause I'm icy. Icy, cause I'm icy. Icy, cause I'm icy. Icy, can't stop, won't stop, get guap. Ice won't stop, cause I'm icy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you do anything, make sure you like and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell. Yeah, so today guys, I have a review for you on this lace front wig. It is from Unice Hair. I got it on Amazon and I paid $165 for it. I really like how easy this wig and how lightweight it is. It is a 13x6 frontal. In this video, I do show you how I adhere the wig. I also show you the inside of the wig and, you know, just basically how I put my wigs on. I will get a little close for you guys. This isn't my best install, but I think I did a pretty good job. The knots in the front lifted well, so they're not that noticeable, but there is a little bit of excess glue around my hairline, so that's my fault. But I really like this wig. It's super comfortable and the hair is very much so lightweight. Like at night when I've only been wearing it for a day, but at nighttime all I do is spray my hair with a water bottle and I split it down the middle and I tie it into 2 French braids, and it gives me the same curls, and this is what the hair looks like. I've been wearing it all day. It doesn't get super big and it's really lightweight. I just like this hair. My only with this hair is the shedding. The shedding, whoa, it's a little bit much. But you know, I really can't judge this hair so heavily on the shedding because I did get in the front of this. I plucked, even though it does come with a really nice hairline where if you're not that skilled with plucking a frontal, you really won't need to. I just like my wigs to look a certain way, so I really did pluck a lot of hair, especially from the sides and a little bit right here, just because it was just like there was no gradients in the front, so I did pluck that. So maybe that's why I experienced some shedding, but the shedding was a bit much for me. But besides that, I really like this wig and I hope that you guys like this video. Yeah, that's it. The information to purchase this wig will be below. I'm gonna make sure all of it is below so you guys can purchase this wig if you want it. This is going to be on the Unice Betty You series. This is their Water Wave 13x6 lace front human hair wig. It is 150% density and it is going to be 20 inches. So let me show y'all her shorty. All right, so this is what she looks like fresh out of the box. She has not been tampered with. She comes with a really nice hairline. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it is a really nice hairline. I'm still going to pluck to make it a little bit more customizable for me. The knots are really small, so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach those off camera, just so this video isn't a million years long. I'm gonna bleach it off camera and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Stocking cap already. Look up the stocking cap method, because sis, that's what I'm about to do. I know y'all don't want to watch a video that's 11 minutes long, okay? All right, so I might do it on camera, I might not, but yeah, I'll come back in just a second and we're gonna be putting this wig on with boho. Okay, y'all, I'm back to talking now. The whole spraying down and all of that, like, I feel like that's all self-explanatory. But in case, for whatever reason, whatever YouTube guru you watching, they told you this, clean your hairline with 91% alcohol. So for my skin protectant, I use the Walker Tape Scalp Protector. It's kind of like messed up because I messed up the wrapper, but that's my fault. Make sure that this is dry. And I press that all along my hairline. Instead, I'm going to use the Kat Von D powder foundation in Deep 72. I feel like this is a closer match to my skin. I haven't even used this on my face, but oh yeah. Blend it out. I think that's a whole lot better. All right. So y'all see that I look like Professor X. That's the look you want to go for. What you're trying to achieve is that flush like I'm bald sis. And shout out to my girl Mernika that braided me down. Y'all, I forgot the experience, that how relaxing it is to go to somebody else and let them braid your hair versus you doing it yourself. Woo, child. I mean, you save money obviously doing it yourself, but it was really nice. See, you want to definitely make sure you clean that away. Okay, so I'm back. I don't got everything by me, but I got the most important thing by me. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my first layer, and then I'm gonna apply 2 layers because I only want this on maybe for about 5 or 6 days, and then I'm gonna take it off. I don't like to wear my wigs any longer than that, so I'm only gonna show the first layer, but I will show you guys when I'm putting the wig on. I'm gonna cut my lace off camera. Okay guys, so I cut my lace and this is what she looks like. Of course I had to wash her because I bleached the knots, but the knots didn't lift that as much as I wanted them to, but I think that's because I made my bleach too thick. But this is gonna have to work because I bitch got to put this wig on tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna style it when it's on my head. Let me just show y'all the interior of this wig for y'all that may want it as a glueless wig, because it does have the elastic, the little adjustable straps in it. It has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the center, and a comb in the back. And you are seeing that correctly, sis. That is 13 by 6, which means the parting is going to go deep. Okay. Okay, so y'all, I sped this part up. Here I am just making sure that my lace aligns with the glue. And my dumbass still ended having excess glue in front of my wig, but it worked out. Don't do what I'm doing and press down with your fingers, because your fingers can have oils on it. And like I said, I put my wigs on in 3 portions. So what you're gonna see here is me putting my glue on each side of my wig, and do not stick it down until the glue is clear, girl. Wait, be patient. All right, so all stuck down, and here I'm just combing all my hair back because we're about to get this baby hair situation kind of together. That shit still, I don't know. Yeah, I really should have plucked a little bit more, but yeah, we're gonna get this baby hair situation together. The rest of this is self-explanatory. Wait till the end to see the finished look, and yeah. Okay, I just felt it was only fair that y'all get to see the reveal with me for the first time. Okay. Now that look pretty good. Minus me pulling that hair up right there. About to get razored. Mega tip for that. Anyway, I think it turned out pretty good. I really hate this part right here. Like, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. But I have it braided into like French braids because I'm about to go to sleep, and I feel like this is probably the best style to go to sleep in. All I'm gonna do is take one, pin it, put a clip in my hair right there, just to make sure it don't come out. Clip it from the bottom. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and tie it down, and we're gonna go to bed. And that's gonna be it. But I feel like the hairline came out really nice. Once I got a full beats, I'll tell y'all my thoughts on this. Cause I had to pinch this back while I was doing my makeup. But yeah, this is sis.